Here's a 2018 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It comes with great features you'll love: Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rear view mirror, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, front and rear parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
You'll find it all at Pueblo Toyota. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 2220 US 50 West in Pueblo, Colorado.